Assalamu alaikum everyone. I got my iPhone. There is 2 pins to open it. As you see, it's sealed. iPhone 13 Pro Max. I'm so excited, guys. Yeah, there you go. I opened it before, and one is here. Slowly sealed box. Yes, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya Allah khair. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let me open the box.
Open the box. Oh my goodness.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's open the box.
Open the box.
Oh my god, nice color. As you see, guys.
Is green.
Green, oh mashallah.
Mashallah, look at this. Green.
Dacha mobile da.
Green.
Dacha da, baba da.
Baba da.
Oh, show papraki. Mwah.
This green.
Khalidi khakina kina masarakina shabsi. Okay, we open it.
What do we get over there? Oh wow.
Wow. As you see, guys. Let me on it. Basically, guys, I'm first time using iPhone. I mean, I never used before iPhone in my life. I always using Android phone, especially Galaxy on the Note series. But first time I'm changing my mind and I'm using iPhone 13 Pro Max just because of my vlogs, and the camera quality was, people recommended very best. So that's why I bought iPhone 13 Pro Max. So I will do my settings and everything. I will let you know how it is and how I feel with it. So for now on, let me enjoy myself. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I just came to the car park to meet Mustafa Hanif, and I'm going to meet him. We are all here to meet Mustafa Hanif today, and he's here to meet us. Lots of friends and followers, subscribers.
My son is your name. अच्छा माशाल्लाह Mustafa. कैसे हैं आप? Your youngest subscriber. माशाल्लाह. Oh माशाल्लाह. वालेकुम सलाम my missus. मैं कहते रूम में शायद थोड़ा सा कंजेस्टेड पड़ जाए तो हम बाहर आराम से बिजी थे तो फिर कुछ दोस्तों को बोला कि चलो यहाँ पे आ जाए मीटअप कर लेते हैं।